Good morning, student. Today we are going to recite a poem. The title of the poem is Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. This poem has been written by Ruskin Bond, who is a famous author, and he is staying in India, in Missouri. So the poem goes like this. Don't be afraid of the dark. I would like you all to sing with me. Here it goes. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. And those stars will be shining forever and ever. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Don't be afraid of the dark, little one. The earth must rest when the day is done. The sun must be harsh, but moonlight never, and those stars will be shining forever and ever. Here the poet is asking the small children not to be afraid of the dark. Small children are often afraid of the dark because there is no light, so they are very scared. But here the poet is requesting them not to be afraid of the dark, as the earth also should rest. When the day is done, when all the day's activities are over and everybody wants to take rest, then night falls and people take rest at that time. He said the sun must be harsh, but moonlight never. He said after the harsh sun rays in the morning and afternoon, the night should be pleasant. The moonlight is very pleasant. So one should enjoy the moonlight. One should enjoy the calmness and peace. And they should take rest. And stars are always shining to guide you, to have minimum lights. So night is useful. Now we'll go for the second stanza. It goes like that. Be friend with the night, there's nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. Be friend with the night, there's nothing to fear. Just let your thoughts travel to friends far and near. By day it seems that our trouble won't cease. By day it seems that our trouble won't cease. But at night, late night, the world is at peace. But at night, late night, the world is at peace. The poet is asking us to be friend with the night, and we should be not scared of the darkness. He says in the night when we sleep, we should think about the pleasant thing happened in the morning, happened during the day, and we should also think about friends and relatives who are far and near. Very often you also see dreams and you see nice things in your dreams. Do you remember any of your dreams which you see? He is also asking us that during the day we have lots of work and lots of worries and lots of problems to face. But as the night falls, all of us go off to sleep. And that is the best way to take rest. After whole days of tiredness, work, worries, the night comes and it gives us the chance to sleep and get rid of all our worries and troubles and be at peace and calms us down. Night is very essential, children. Night is very useful to take rest and relax our body and mind. So all the doctors, they say it's very good to have good night's sleep. There are people who don't sleep properly and then they have problems. So night comes to heal our body, to make us healthy. When we have taken enough rest, we feel healthy and energetic next day morning. So night is very useful to us. And so all the children, you should not be scared of the night or scared of the darkness. Basically, you should not be scared of the night. Now we are going to learn the meaning of new words which has come in the poem, and we'll also learn it how to make sentences with it. Now children, we will discuss the new words. The first word is harsh. Harsh means having an undesirable or strong effect. Something very unpleasant. Like in the afternoon, you have the sun rays is not pleasant. It is very unpleasant. So we can make a sentence. In the month of June, the sun's heat gets very harsh on us. You can also understand this better by opposite. Opposite of harsh is gentle. Like sun rays are very harsh in the noon time, in the afternoon, whereas moonlight is very gentle in compared to sunlight. Dark. Dark means having no light. So sometime when the electricity goes, it becomes dark. In the night when the sun sets, it becomes dark. Okay. So we can say a sentence like, Adar's mother scolded him for going out and playing in the dark. Sometime your mama says that come back before it darks. When you go to play, she tells you all to come back soon after it becomes dark. Often you get a scolding from your mom for playing in the dark. Now our third word is rest. So, rest means to stop work in order to relax. We can say that everybody take rest at night when they are sleeping. Another sentence could be, the doctor has advised Mr. Singh to take proper rest after his illness. When somebody is sick, people ask them to take rest. The fourth word is forever. Forever means continuously. We can use it in a sentence like, Sonam and Shruti are friends forever. Like you always says, with whomever you are friend, you says Hamesha, Pakka Dosti. So that is forever. Continuously will be friend. Our next word is trouble. Trouble means difficulty, problems, worries. You can use it in a sentence like, Adarsh is a naughty boy and he always trouble his mother. Our next word is cease. Cease means to come to an end or stop. We can use it in a sentence like, Shruti and Akshara fought with each other and now they cease to be friends. Our next word is afraid. Afraid means fearful or scared. We can use it in a sentence like, Gautam is afraid of the teacher as he is not attending online classes. Or you can use it, there are many people who are afraid of dogs. Even your teacher is afraid of dog. Now children, we are going to do some exercises given in the textbook. One of them was compound words. What are compound words? Compound words are two or more words put together to make one larger new word. This new word has a new meaning. For example, rain plus bow is rainbow. Moon plus light is moonlight. Ear plus ring makes earring. Ice plus cream is ice cream. You can make many more words like this, compound words. Thank you and have a nice day.